Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Usama Aslam. So today we are going to discuss about the response spectrum analysis. This topic is very limited to the people who will study the response spectrum analysis for different codes. You know that we need to take a design response spectrum curve for any graph, for any code, different codes, and it is already given in this software Seismo match. Uh, you can see different codes, almost every code: Pakistani, European, American, African, like Indian code, and all of the codes are given. And it's very easy. Like for example, I want to use for Pakistani code. It will give the different zones. Every zone has its own code. Every code has its own zones. But for the Chinese code, because I was studying the difference between Chinese and Pakistani code, so I could not find the Chinese code in this file. So I have a software uh, where we can just input the value, like similar to Seismo match. We just select one values. They have 6 zones. It will give us the designed spectrum for the codes. First of all, let me tell you about something about what is it actually response spectrum analysis. Uh, when we complete the modeling, we conduct the response spectrum analysis to judge the exact sizes section of sizes and the reinforcement. And actually it is a dynamic, it is used to study the dynamic effect of ground motion, and we calculate base here at the based on the time period. So we download the data from the peer ground website, and then mm, what we need to do, that we need to find a PGA value, like what is the maximum PGA value. So this is the acceleration values and this is the time values. So what we do, we use this formula equal max absolute value. uh, we put that max comma absolute value, this one, and then we select the range, and then we all double bracket and press enter. It will give us the maximum value for this case. It will give us the maximum value for this case, like this. You can see this is the maximum value for all the columns. And let me tell you, show you the software. This is a software. Already the Chinese codes are given. For example, I choose the 7 seismic intensity and with 0.1 G, and this site class you can select, and just I create. It will give the designed response spectrum curve for the Chinese code. And you can also get in the ETAB, but in ETAB you cannot take to the Excel file, but here you can take the Excel into the Excel file. If you just click on Excel, it will take to you the Excel file, and then you can edit according to you, like you can make changes. But in the I show you, for example, in ETAB we can also find the Chinese code here, like functions and response spectrum. Here we can find the Chinese code. See, all similar, the different intensity, but we cannot use it and export to the Excel file. So we can only take the screenshot, so we cannot take to the Excel file. So this is the disadvantage of the ETABs. But in this software I will upload in the link. We can take to the Excel and make changes also. Like in response spectrum, we see this is for example, this is a different designed spectrum code, and we have to match the response spectrum by doing scaling, and also by Seismo match or any software by Excel. Then we tell them this is a mean spectrum, and this is a design spectrum. In the Chinese code it is given like this, but you can take the concept from here, but this software will help you to make get the spectrum curve within 1-2 seconds.